Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your Google account permanently. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, first of course, we're going to need to log into Gmail. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to need to click on our image to go to this menu. And this is where you and I will need to select Manage your Google account. If you have more than one Google Mail account, you'll have some other Google Mails down here. If you're on the wrong Google Mail that you want to delete, please select the Google Mail you want to delete first. Go to it. After that, select Manage your Google account. Next, once here, we select the third section, Data and Privacy. And this is where we need to scroll down to the bottom. When you get to the bottom, select Delete your Google account. And now we have to enter our password for the Google account that we want to log you out of. Once the password has been uploaded, you'll be taken to a page like this. And here you will be warned about the consequences of deleting your Google account. Specifically, that your Google account cannot be reactivated. It will also be impossible to renew any of the data associated with it. For example, everything that is linked to this Google account will also be deleted. This is the correspondences on Gmail itself. Next, everything that is linked to Google Pay. That is, if Google Pay is tied to this Gmail, then you will lose all the card data. Also Google Photo, you lose all your photos. Also data on, for example, their calendar, Google Play. I also have contacts here that are tied to this email. And also data from YouTube. You'll probably have other data as well. Always look at this page carefully, so you don't lose anything that's important to you. Now, once you've read all that, you'll need to click on these two items to provide your agreement. That you have read everything you have said and agree with it, and also that you agree and want to delete your Google account. After that, you will just have to click on Delete Account. And after a while, the account will be deleted and it and all the data associated with it will no longer belong to you. That's how you can delete your Google account permanently if you need it so badly. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you later.